Hey friends, so the audio plugins, if you go to their website, there's going to be a plugin thing. We're going to go down here to download Davinci. It's only for Mac and it's only the studio version. So once you click this download button, you're going to basically unzip it here off to the left. It'll look like this. And you'll open up the install window here. And what you're going to need to do now is basically there's two different ways you can do this. It was not working for me in the beginning, and I'm not 100% sure why. It would basically open up, like if I click DaVinci Resolve, it would basically open up the folder that I did, but it would just be gray. So let me show you how this is done. So it would basically, if I opened up, like let's say this project, and I went up to Workspace, it would just be gray like this, and nothing would happen. And I was very confused. So what ended up happening, I'll have to quit that again. You have to have DaVinci Resolve quit completely while you're doing this. So we're gonna open it up. It's pretty simple, but I really don't understand why it wasn't working. But we're gonna just skip to step 3 because for some reason, even though it's the same, I don't exactly know why the top one wasn't working for me. I don't know if it copied different or what. But I'm just gonna copy this right here. From the slash to the slash, or whatever the terminology is, Command C. Then we're going to go back over here to the folder where you have, let's just actually use just a regular Finder. So that way we have the audio folder on the right and the regular Finder on the left. We're going to go. Down here at the bottom, we're going to go to folder. So we're going to click on that. And when you first do it, there's not going to be anything. It'll just be blank. You just copy that, paste it, or paste that in, and there's not going to be any results. But the key here is you're just going to copy this workflow integration plugin, because this is the folder that we're actually going to have to make, because I don't have it yet. So here I'm just making sure it's library, application support, Blackmagic Design, DaVinci Resolve. We're going to click on that. Now there won't be the folder we need. So we're going to right click, new folder, and I'm just going to paste that workflow integration plugins. Now we can triple check that that's the thing, that's the right thing. And all you have to do is double click on that, get into that folder, and then drag your audio folder that you have from that unzipped thing. Just drop it right in there, and that should be good. And basically you want to make sure that you're coming from Macintosh HD library, application support, Blackmagic Design, DaVinci Resolve, then you're pasting your workflow integration plugins and audio. All right, so now we have that in. So we go to DaVinci Resolve, we open this back up, and we should be done with all this stuff. Once you open it up, basically what's going to happen is we're going to open up a new project, and you have to have some material in there for it to basically work. But basically, you're going to go up to Workspace, Workflow Integrations, Audio for DaVinci Resolve. You're going to click on that. It will load. And then on the top right here, you're going to have a sign in, sign out feature. I've already signed in. And then once you sign in, you're not going to be able to hear any music because I don't have the screen, capture of what you're actually hearing, but it works. It sounds good. You can find all the different things. The only thing you can't find in here is sound effects, which is kind of a bummer from my understanding, but that's all right. You can find all your playlists down here, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So how this works is basically if I want to download music, let's just say that one, I'll agree to the terms, create the license. For some reason, I have to figure this out, but if I go to like my hard drive, my SSD, it won't copy it to my SSD, and I have to figure out why. I'm not sure yet. But if you do it to like some other folder on your computer, I'm just going to dump it here to downloads. It will work. And it just automatically, so now that it's imported, in my actual project, in the master, there's going to be this new audio folder. And you can double click on that, and you can see that I have the song in here. And it does work. You're just not able to hear it because of just stuff not working well in terms of the screen sharing. I didn't enable that. So anyway, that's how that works. Hopefully that was helpful. I really was struggling with that grayed out section. For some reason, it just was not working for me. So I copied the second or the third prompt, and for some reason that worked. So hopefully you can help. That can help figure it out for you. But it seems to be cool, works pretty well, and I'm overall happy with the product. So thank you, Audiio, for creating that.